The Toyota RAV4 stays at the top of Toyota's best-selling vehicles, and it's easy to see why. It's reliable, good on gas, and works well for all kinds of drivers. For 2025, Toyota has implemented significant updates to enhance both interior features and technological capabilities. Let's take a good look at what makes the 2025 RAV4 stand out, both the things it does well and where it could be better. Year after year, the RAV4 is America's favorite SUV, showing that Toyota really knows what drivers want. From powertrain options to interior refinements, we'll examine the elements that make the RAV4 a standout choice, while also addressing potential considerations for prospective buyers. Here's what makes this SUV special. Traditional gasoline option retained. In an automotive landscape increasingly dominated by electrification, Toyota's decision to retain a conventional gasoline powertrain option demonstrates remarkable market awareness. The 2025 RAV4's 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated inline-4 engine serves as a testament to Toyota's commitment to proven engineering principles. Generating 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, this power plant pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission to deliver a driving experience that prioritizes reliability and predictability. The conventional powertrain configuration becomes particularly significant when examining fuel efficiency metrics. Achieving 27 miles per gallon in urban environments and 35 miles per gallon during highway operation, these figures challenge the notion that hybrid technology is essential for competitive fuel economy. The standard front-wheel drive architecture, complemented by available all-wheel drive capability, provides flexibility for diverse driving conditions. Engineering excellence extends to the transmission choice, where Toyota's 8-speed automatic stands in stark contrast to competitors' CVT implementations. This traditional approach, exemplified in comparison to the Honda CR-V's turbocharged and CVT configuration, emphasizes long-term durability over trend following. For consumers prioritizing established technology and straightforward maintenance protocols, this powertrain combination presents compelling advantages. Class-leading hybrid technology. Toyota's hybrid expertise reaches new heights in the 2025 RAV4, establishing benchmarks for efficiency without compromising performance. The sophisticated hybrid powertrain integrates a modified 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with strategically positioned electric motors at both axles. This engineering achievement delivers 219 combined horsepower while maintaining exceptional efficiency ratings of 41 miles per gallon city and 38 miles per gallon highway. The hybrid variant's sophistication extends beyond mere efficiency metrics. Power delivery characteristics demonstrate remarkable refinement, with electric motor assistance providing immediate response across the operating range. This seamless integration of gasoline and electric power sources creates a driving experience that combines the best attributes of both technologies. Interior refinements parallel the powertrain's sophistication, featuring thoughtfully designed controls and high-quality materials that enhance the overall ownership experience. PHEV technology advancement. The evolution of the RAV4 Prime into the RAV4 plug-in hybrid represents more than simple rebranding. This technological flagship combines a 2.5-liter engine with advanced electric motors and high-capacity battery storage to deliver extraordinary performance metrics. The system's 302 combined horsepower and 288 pound-feet of torque enable acceleration figures previously reserved for performance-oriented vehicles, with 0 to 60 miles per hour achieved in a mere 5.5 seconds. More impressive than raw performance figures is the PHEV's operational flexibility. The 42-mile all-electric range accommodates typical daily commuting patterns without consuming fossil fuels, while the 600-mile combined range eliminates traditional EV range anxiety. This dual-nature capability positions the PHEV variant as an ideal transition vehicle for consumers exploring electrification without sacrificing traditional SUV versatility. Interior innovation and technology integration. The 2025 model year introduces comprehensive interior refinements that elevate the RAV4's position in the competitive compact SUV segment. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration provide seamless connectivity, while the enhanced LED lighting system improves visibility and safety. The base configuration's 8.0-inch touchscreen interface and 7.0-inch driver information display deliver essential information clearly and intuitively. Premium trim levels further enhance the technological experience with a 10.5-inch central touchscreen featuring advanced voice recognition capabilities. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable information displays, while the 11-speaker JBL audio system delivers premium sound quality. Multiple USB ports throughout the cabin ensure device connectivity for all occupants, reflecting thoughtful consideration of modern travel requirements. 3 areas for consideration. First, adventure trim discontinuation. The discontinuation of the adventure trim from the gasoline lineup represents a strategic shift in Toyota's approach to off-road capability. While the RAV4's unibody construction never positioned it as a dedicated off-road vehicle, the adventure trim provided meaningful upgrades for light trail use. The loss of specialized components like skid plates and terrain-specific damping affects the model's versatility in this segment. The Woodland trim maintains some off-road aspirations within the hybrid lineup, featuring 18-inch bronze alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, and TRD-tuned suspension components. However, unchanged ground clearance and limited underbody protection constrain its off-pavement capabilities. This configuration suggests a focus on style and light trail use rather than serious off-road applications. Second, PHEV storage compromises. The integration of plug-in hybrid technology introduces compromises in cargo capacity and accessibility. The battery pack's location necessitates a higher load floor, impacting everyday utility. This trade-off between exceptional efficiency and practical storage capability requires careful evaluation based on individual usage patterns and requirements. Third, premium pricing for PHEV model. As America's best-selling compact SUV, the RAV4 maintains reasonable pricing for base gasoline and hybrid variants. While the RAV4 lineup begins at an accessible $29,800 for the LE trim and $32,200 for the hybrid LA, the PHEV variant's $44,100 starting price positions it in a premium market segment. This $15,000 differential from the base model, while justified by advanced technology and performance capabilities, requires substantial fuel savings to offset the initial investment. The value proposition depends heavily on individual driving patterns and long-term ownership intentions. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 represents a comprehensive approach to modern SUV design, offering multiple powertrain options to suit diverse consumer requirements. While each variant presents specific advantages and considerations, the overall package continues to demonstrate Toyota's understanding of market demands and commitment to quality engineering. Thank you for joining us for this detailed look at the 2025 Toyota RAV4, the biggest pros and cons exposed. If you found this information helpful, please support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.